Hello, everybody. My name is Alvin Bradford with Church Folks. Yes, Church Folks. One word. I started this years ago in writing the books, but I'm just not getting to where I'm actually getting them done by ebooks. I'm inviting you to all examine my books. Go through them. I'm highlighting some of them on occasion where it's no cost. I'd like for you to give me your input, feedback on that. You can see my information right below here on the screen so that I know if I'm reaching the public. The purpose of these books is because I'm trying to make Bible study easy. By using my books, you can go through the different topics, and with those topics, I already have Bible scriptures there for you. Some of them are just informative books, the insights on my opinions of different things. Please join me in my website, join my mailing list, my newsletter that I have. I would love to see your input, your responses, and all of that. And if there's something you want to ask me directly, contact me in my email. I just want to connect with the people. I'd love for you to connect with me. Be blessed, have a great day, and talk with you later. Bye-bye.